How many daily push-ups? So you've seen those 100 push-ups a day challenges all over YouTube, and maybe you've even tried one. But here's the truth. Doing push-ups every day might not be the magic formula you think it is. In fact, depending on how you do them, it could actually be holding you back from real muscle growth. Today, we're cutting through the noise and getting into the real answer to the question, how many push-ups should you actually do daily to build muscle? We'll talk numbers, science, and strategy, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to structure your push-up routine to finally see progress. Although push-ups are among the best bodyweight workouts available, performing them frequently isn't the only way to gain muscle. Knowing when to push and when to rest is crucial to performing them correctly. Let's start by discussing mechanics. A proper push-up works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. But form is everything. If you're cranking out 100 sloppy reps, you're not activating muscles the way you should. Controlled, full-range reps with proper form activate more muscle fibers, and that's where real gains start. Now here's the big myth. More doesn't always mean better. Doing 200 push-ups a day might sound impressive, but if your goal is hypertrophy, what you need is progressive overload, not just repetition. That means gradually increasing resistance, volume, or difficulty. Instead of endless reps, try harder variations: incline push-ups, diamond push-ups, explosive push-ups, or weighted ones. So how many push-ups per day actually help build muscle? If you're a beginner, even 10-20 solid reps per set, done in 3-4 sets a few times a week, can trigger growth. Intermediate to advanced, you might push 30-50 reps per set, but only if you're also adding intensity. The key is to challenge your muscles, not just burn them out. Another crucial piece, recovery. Your muscles grow when you rest, not while you're exercising. Daily push-ups might work for endurance, but if you're always sore or fatigued, you're not giving your muscles the chance to rebuild and grow stronger. A smart split like push-ups every other day or in combination with other movements will give better results in less time. If your goal is muscle growth, not just endurance, it's smarter to focus on intensity and variety, not just volume. A structured plan with rest days and harder variations will get you far better results than doing 100 easy push-ups every single day. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more fitness strategies that actually work. And let me know in the comments, how many push-ups are you doing now and what's your goal? I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.